6 common SEO mistakes and how to avoid them. It's not easy to rank for keywords that a large number of people are searching for. Making the right SEO decisions requires detailed knowledge of search engines, search engine optimization, and search engine algorithms. On top of that, your decisions have to be different for each search engine, since they all have their own strengths and weaknesses. Although there are many different aspects to SEO, there are some common mistakes that people often make. Keyword stuffing. Improper keyword targeting. The problem is that you may be unintentionally targeting a broad keyword phrase that is generic in nature. For example, if you type the phrase SEO into Google, it will return a ton of search results. Basically, this means that you aren't optimizing your site for that particular search query. Not optimizing keywords. Optimizing keywords is one of the most time-consuming parts of SEO because it's a long and tedious process. How to optimize keywords is a question every webmaster faces at some point, and fortunately, there are many ways to do it. The basic premise is to find the most competitive keywords for the given page, and then use those keywords to target the search engines. Too much content or pictures. One of the most important things you can do as a webmaster is to make sure your site is up to date. It is important to remember that only a few images and a few pages of content will not benefit your site. Rather, it is imperative to remember to keep the content relevant and useful. Ignoring technical SEO guidelines. If you are looking to improve your ranking in search engines and make more traffic to your website, SEO is a useful tool. The result is that search engines are now having a hard time interpreting web pages in order to deliver the best results to the searchers. They can help you effectively optimize your content for search engines. Broken links. Broken links are one of the most common mistakes on the internet today. Rather than giving search engines the opportunity to crawl a whole page, the broken link cues them to skip to the next one, which can quickly lead to a complete lack of visibility. Meta descriptions issues. Most of the SEO mistakes are somehow related to meta descriptions. Meta descriptions should be brief but still provide users with enough information to decide whether or not they are interested in viewing the content. Low speed. It's important to make sure your website loads quickly for people with slower connections like those who are using dial-up or have data caps from their wireless providers. Mobile friendliness. If your website isn't responsive and it's causing problems for SEO because Google doesn't know how to index the content, then make sure you have a meta tag in place that specifies what device type is being targeted. Duplicate content. The last thing you want to do is create and publish duplicate content, even if it's for different parts of the web. It is one of the most dangerous yet regular SEO mistakes. The fact is that many frequently done SEO mistakes can easily be avoided. To work on the whole process to avoid these common SEO mistakes that can affect your SEO ranking, you need professionals who can help you with it. SurgeLinks offers you the service that you need to start optimizing your website.